another Stitch Fix. I know what you're thinking. I'm thinking it too. I have a problem. I got an email from Stitch Fix a couple of weeks ago saying that I had some credit in my account, and if I didn't use it, it would be gone. So I had a box scheduled for, I think, May or June to come, so I moved that right up to now. I'm not missing out on some free credit, thank you very much. So here we are with another Stitch Fix box. I don't know if I need to explain what Stitch Fix is. I feel like I do it in every video, but I also think I should explain what it is very briefly, just in case you're new here and you don't know what Stitch Fix is. So basically, Stitch Fix is an online personal shopper experience. You go over to their website, I'll leave the link down below. You fill out a little questionnaire, and then the personal stylist will send you 5 items of clothing that they think you will like, and then you look at the clothes, you try them on. Anything you don't like you send back, and everything you do like you keep and you pay for, obviously. Each box costs £10, but if you buy anything, that £10 is deducted off the total. And if you buy everything in the box, which I'm yet to do, I really want to have all 5, but nothing yet. If you keep all 5 items, then I believe you get a 20% discount on the total order. So far, I've never been able to keep all 5 items. Some of my boxes have been a bit questionable, so fingers crossed that this box is the best box ever. I'm hoping for some spring themed bright colours. I want the bright colours. In the previous boxes I've had, they've been very dark and grey, which was fine for winter, but now I'm looking for the bright colours. So if there's some, I'm worried. I haven't looked at the items before. You can check them out and say yes or no to anything that you don't like the look of, but I didn't do that because I like a surprise. But that hasn't done me very well recently, I have to say, because yeah, some of the previous boxes I've had have been a bit... Hi Caroline, welcome to your fix number 5. I'm Martina and I'm excited to be styling you today. I'm sorry I didn't get a chance to view the fix online. I don't want to see it, I like the surprise. In today's selection I focus on comfortable everyday pieces that are fun and super easy to wear. Right, I'm not going to read any more because they're going to start talking about what the items are. I might read it afterwards, but right now let's just try them on. Got the paperwork. Oh, and I didn't say, I will leave my link to Stitch Fix below. If you sign up using my link, you get £15 off your first box, and then I also get £15. It's a referral code, everyone wins. Let's see. So far, no bright colours. I just want bright colours, that's all I want. Right, okay, so I'm seeing some loungewear, but there's no super springy colours there. Okay, positive thinking, I'm gonna like all the clothes. First of all, we have a green top. Green top? Okay, so it's a green top, and on the back is a little satin. So that's interesting. Okay, so it's not super springy, but it's a bit more interesting than just a bog standard top. I don't mind that actually. That's from a brand called And-Et. So I do quite like that, that's quite nice, but we'll see what it looks like on. I'll do a try on in a minute. We have a white t-shirt, is that all it is? Oh, it's Bowden. Oh, I'm a fan. Oh, it's metallic. Oh, I'm liking this. I'm hoping this looks good on me. If you don't know, I am obsessed with rose gold, and the fact there's a rose gold line down the middle there fills me with joy. Anything shiny, I'm a magpie. Anything shiny or glittery, I migrate to. I want it, I need it, and anything rose gold is just one step even better. So, oh, I'm liking that. That's Bowden, so I know that's not going to be cheap, but oh, I'm liking it. It's a bit boring, apart from the arms. I will say it's not the most interesting of tops I would buy, but it is Bowden, so I know it's a fancy brand. Oh, this is interesting. Stars. Oh, it's a big jumper. I like that. Not very springy though, is it? Let's be serious. Stars and a dark jumper with stars on. It's more of an autumn winter thing, I would think. What brand is this? Corvette. Too much TikTok, Caroline. Too much TikTok. I do like it. It's very casual. It's very sort of an easy thing to wear, like she did say in the first line of her little booklet thing. I do like that. It's just a bit dark, but I would wear it. Oh, I like it, but I like it, but I'm a bit bummed out that it's not springy. You know? Right, what's this? What's this? Ooh, this is a dress. Ooh, okay. A dress. That's nice. That's again more stop. I do like that. Let's see what that looks like on, because my body shape since having a child is a slightly skew-if. But I do like that. That is a nice dress, and that's definitely like a spring dress. I could definitely wear, and summer dress, not just for spring. I could definitely wear that now because the sun is shining and the weather is smooth. And the last thing is Loungewear Tracksuits. It's a big old tracksuit bottom. It's editor's cut, comfies. I am living in tracksuits at the minute. We'll see what these look like on. They look, I like the colour of them. They look a bit, they're going to be high-waisted, which is fine. So hard to show trousers. We shall see, we shall see. I have recently bought some new, don't mind the socks, some new lounge-ish wear from Sainsbury's. I only bought one pair of these lounge trousers and they were like £10. So we'll see how much these are, because if I'm not spending a lot of money on tracksuit bottoms, let's be serious. Let's try these on. Okay, the joggers. Oh, the pockets are really deep. Diddy, diddy, diddy. Okay, so these are alright actually. I'll eat my words. Yeah, they're alright, they're joggers. It's very warm and these are quite thick, so I'm not sure about that, but they're joggers. These pockets, the pockets go down to here. These are joggers I'll be wearing around the house. What am I going to need to put in these pockets? But I like the high-waisted, that's quite nice. So I've just looked in the mirror and I don't mind them, but I will not be paying more than £20 for them because that is a lot of money. I'm not too keen on all the lines on them. Can you see? Like, they've got like that line, can you see that there? And it goes all the way down to your leg, and and obviously the pocket line is there, and then obviously there's another seam like down the back here. If you can see it, but basically there's a lot of seams on there, which I don't really like. The one that goes down the middle here, I think it's a bit peculiar. So they remind me a bit like cargo trousers, is that right? You know, like workman trousers, but they're in a jogger form. I don't know how I feel about that. So yeah, tell you what, if I like everything, so that's the 5 items, and the 20% means these are free, then I'll keep them. Or if the 20% means I'm only paying like £3 for them or something, then I'll keep them. But if they're more than 20 quid and I don't keep everything, no, I won't be bothering with them, because like I said, they're joggers. I wouldn't spend that much money on joggers. I'm not that, you know, I'm happy to just wear pyjamas if I had to. I'm not spending lots of money on sweatpants. Next item. I mean, it's a jumper, isn't it? It's nothing, it's nice. We'll see the price. If this is anywhere near 40 quid, not a chance, but it's nice. I mean, you can see it's like embroidered stars. It's a nice jumper. You know, it fits well, it's quite nice. It's just not springy. I don't know what I'm expecting, but I don't know, I just feel like it's not. You know, summer's coming up. Why would I want to wear like a jumper? You know? I like it, but I don't know. Am I thinking too much into this? What you can see, that's what's on the back. I quite like that. Again, is it the right weather for this sort of top? It's quite thick, like it's got like sort of like warming material. I don't know what that means, but it sort of feels a bit like it's wool. It's not wool. It just feels quite thick. It doesn't feel like it's something I want to wear in spring or summer, especially being long sleeved. I'm not sure about this neckline as well. It seems a bit baggy. Might be better for someone with a larger bazoom than Miss Flat-chested over here. I've just looked in the mirror and it doesn't suit me. I think the colour's fine. The back I really like this sort of back thingy-majiggy, but the front bit, it just doesn't look right. It just looks, I mean, it's just a bit, it's an instant no, unfortunately. Although I do like the back of it. Again, it's too warm for this sort of long sleeve woolen type top, and it's dark green again. I'm looking for more spring colours, and the fit is wrong. Ugh. Okay, I'm wearing a black bra. Please see past that. This is the top, the Bowden top. two things. First of all, very boring, very plain. Let's see how much money this costs, because essentially it's a white long sleeve top. Is it springy? I would say it is. The arms are nice, but it's a bit boring. For Bowden, they're quite colourful. I would expect the colours to be a bit more across, not just on the arms. The issue I'm having though, if I just move my arm, you see this here? That's a bulge coming because it's being caught. It's getting caught between these two lines. See, like it's getting my arm fat is getting stuck in between the things, and so that leads me to believe, I bet if I wash this and then it gets, the more wear I get out of it, I bet these start flaking off and like breaking and stuff, because it's, yeah, it feels like it's restricted on my arms. I am so disappointed. This was the one thing I was so excited about, but oh my god, I can't send back rose gold stuff. I'm gonna have to. I can't have a top that makes me feel like someone's holding me like this all the time. Oh, and also it's really boring. Like, if you didn't have the arms out, it is a really boring top. Ignore the joggers, but like that to me is just like, you know, it's really plain. Man. Okay, we may have a winner. This dress, right, where's the tie thingy there? The buttons do take away from any like unhappiness I may have about the cesarean bump. I think you're meant to do a bow at the front like that, but we're working with it, so I feel like if it was red I'd be like that emoji. We're on for a winner there. Do I wish it was another colour? Possibly, but considering that I'm quite self-conscious about like lumps and bumps and stuff sometimes, especially since having a baby, I think a dark colour probably is best. Also, what I really like about it is it's not tight on the derriere, so I don't have to worry about what pants I wear. This, I think, is a yes, unless it's about £600, then it'll be a no. But I think we have at least one positive from the box. Thank God. Well, I'm filming the rest in this dress because why not? Pile of clothes on my lap. Let's see. Whoa. Okay, so the Bowden top, which I did like in first instance, but then unfortunately after trying it on realised it is very plain, and the metallic arm stripes are very tight randomly. Although I love that so much, I wish there was more of it. It's £38. I think even if I was in love with this top, I don't think I'd pay £38 for it. That's a lot of money for just a basic bog standard top. Like, what about it is £38? At what point in the pricing process did someone say that is worth £38? Because I don't see it. Like I said, if there was stripes more than just, literally I want 10 metallic stripes. 10 metallic stripes on a white basic top. Also, it is fair trade, I believe. It's part of the BCI, Better Cotton Initiative program, which you could think, oh, that might make it more expensive, but Tesco's and Sainsbury's are also part of the same initiative, and their clothes aren't £38 each. So take that as you want. But I'm afraid, Miss Bowden, unfortunately, and it pains me to say, I won't be keeping you. I cannot pay £38 for a plain white top that makes my arms feel fat. Next, sweater. Okay, so the jumper is £42. Oh, I just don't know. So I like it, and I feel like I would wear it in the autumn time, and I would wear it in the winter. But would I wear it in spring? No. So do I think it's worth £42 at this very moment in time? No. But will I wear it in the future? Yes. That's where I don't know what to do, because I will wear this at some point. I do like it. That's a maybe. I'll have a think. £42 is a lot of money, but that is a jumper. I think £40 is sort of like an average sort of jumper price. The joggers. What did I say about the joggers? I wouldn't pay more than £20 for them. They are £42. Absolutely not. Never would I ever pay £42 for a pair of joggers. I wear joggers and loungewear around the house. My son wipes his face and sticky hands on my trousers, and I don't care because I paid £10 for them. Paying £42, where do you think I'm wearing these to? And they're thick, it's blinking warm. No. Oh, I got rage just then. The dress I'm wearing is £45, which is a lot of money, I think. But I think I will keep it. I do really like it. I think it's quite a nice like dress I can wear in spring and summer. And then the green top is £34, but we've established we can't wear this. My chest does not fit to that, which is a shame. I do really like the back. Again, it's not right for this weather though. So unfortunately, all I'm going to be keeping is this dress. So I'm glad I've got one good thing out of it, but it's not the 5 for 5. Okay, so the pricing of everything. So if I kept everything, the total of everything together is £201. If I kept everything, I would get a £40 20 discount. So there we are. If I was going to keep everything, if I liked everything, I would keep the joggers, because the joggers being £42, the 20% discount would mean I'd only be paying like £1.80 for the joggers. So I would keep the joggers if I was keeping everything, but I'm not keeping everything. I'm only keeping this dress and maybe the star jumper. The buy all discount would be £40.20, so the total would then come down to £160.80 minus your £10 styling fee. So the total altogether is £150.80. So yeah, that is the total. I'm not sure, do I keep the jumper? I think I might keep the jumper. I feel like I'm umming and ahhing about it this much because I know I will wear it in the winter months. Enough with all that chit chat. Just in case you're wondering, my prints here are from our Etsy shop. I will link it below. It's called Pick Me Up Prints. Sean, my husband, hand draws all of these prints and we print them off and they're for sale. We have more than just these 3. Check us out if you fancy it, if you like Disney or positive affirmation stuff. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I do hope you've enjoyed this video. It's been a bit of a ramble. I'm really disappointed that I didn't get my 5 for 5. I was really wanting to get 5 items and still not there yet. Maybe next time I might specifically say I want stuff for spring, because I just want stuff for spring. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Please, if you have enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Give me a subscribe if you fancy it. I also am over on Instagram. I'll leave my link here and down below. And yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!